Two types of files are built in PSSC, the saved case file and single line diagram. For building the new case, click on the new button. There are 5 different options. Select network case in case you have the diagram and only want to construct the spreadsheet file or saved case file. Select the second option if you want to build the case from scratch. If you already have the saved case file and you only need SLD, then select the third option. Plotbook, the fourth option, is used for plotting the dynamic plots. If you want to create a template and use it different places in PSSC, then we go for the fifth option. Since we are building the case from scratch, we will select the second option. Normally we take the base MVA as 100 and select the frequency whichever is applicable in your country, and the units which we will be using for transformer and transmission lines in our example will be in MVA. You can add a title or a subtitle to this project in heading 1 and heading 2. There are 2 files open now. One is the network data and second is diagram. We need to link both of these files, and this is done by checking the option bind items by right clicking on SLD. This will ensure that any change made in either of these two will be reflected on the other. Now to add the buses, we select the sizable bus bar from toolbar menu. We add 9 number of buses. The data of these buses can be changed once we place all the buses. The buses can be moved or resized. Double click on the bus to open the dialog box and add the data as per given in SLD. The width and the color of bus can be changed by clicking on line style. Now we connect the buses with same voltage using a transmission line by clicking on the branch from toolbar menu. buses with different voltages can be connected via two-winding transformer. Now we connect the generators on the buses. And insert the loads at their points as shown in the SLD. Similarly, the position of loads and generators can be adjusted by dragging. We add the load data, which is megawatt and MVRs. Now we add the generator data as given in the diagram. We only need to enter Pgen, Pmax, Pmin, Qmax and Qmin. Qgen will be calculated by the software itself. In this example, we will not change Pmax and Pmin values. Add the resistance, impedance and charging values of transmission lines by double clicking on the line. Add the values of impedance in transformers. To solve the system, click on the solve button or go to power flow and then solution. Click solve button. And we see that the case has converged successfully. We can also add contour to our SLD by clicking on this button and then setting the values. The result of contour also shows that the voltage of our system is normal.